You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, it is necessary to lift the front of your vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching our tutorial, raising your Clio 5 safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. To replace it, start by releasing and removing the upper ball joint of the sway bar links. Stop the rotation of the ball joint with a 5mm Allen key and remove the nut with a 16mm spanner.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. Remove the nut, then the sway bar link. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto website and in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar link axle rod. Remove the lug nuts provided with it. Put the sway bar link back in place. You'll need to push on the sway bar to be able to retract it properly. You can use a small crowbar. Tighten the nut using a 15mm spanner and a 5mm Allen key. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. Tighten the nuts with a torque spanner. Then, you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle, put your car back on the ground, and block the wheels securely. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.